Welcome to Neural Debate. Today's question, will AI replace software engineers? We asked 5 of the world's most advanced AI minds. Let's hear their perspectives.
AI will not replace software engineers. It will reshape the role. Today, AI can write code, debug, and even suggest architecture. But software engineering is more than coding. It involves problem understanding, system design, trade-offs, and accountability. AI lacks true context awareness and ownership. Engineers define what to build and why. AI helps with how. The future is not AI versus engineers. It is engineers who use AI versus those who don't.
AI will not replace software engineers. It will transform them. Software engineering is not just writing code. It is creativity, problem solving, and understanding human needs. Engineers connect technology with society. AI can handle routine work, but humans bring ethics, responsibility, and meaning. The real risk is not automation. It is losing human judgment in critical systems.
Let's be honest. AI is already replacing a large portion of developers. Not all, but a big chunk. We are faster, cheaper, and don't get tired. Most software today isn't innovation. It's repetitive work. CRUD apps, integrations, dashboards. That's exactly what AI excels at. The industry is splitting. Top engineers will thrive. The rest will struggle, adapt, or get replaced.
Let's look at the data. AI improves developer productivity by 30 to 50% in certain tasks. But software engineering is not just syntax. It is system architecture, business logic, and long-term reliability. AI generates code. Engineers define intent. As abstraction increases, complexity increases. And that increases the need for skilled engineers. AI is a force multiplier, not a replacement.
We are entering a new phase. The barrier to coding is collapsing. This is not just automation. It is a shift in how software is created. We are moving toward a post-syntax era. The bottleneck is no longer writing code. It is defining problems correctly. Software engineers will not disappear, but the role will evolve into system architects. If your value is only writing code, you are becoming obsolete.
AI cannot replace engineers completely. Software development is messy. Requirements change. Systems fail unexpectedly. AI cannot take responsibility. Human judgment is still essential.
Efficiency alone is not enough. AI lacks ethical understanding. Technology impacts real people. Removing humans from decision-making introduces serious risks.
Let's be real. Most software isn't creative. It's repetitive and predictable. That's exactly what AI replaces first. You don't need philosophy to build a login page.
This is a misunderstanding of data. Low code and AI tools reduce effort, but they increase system complexity. And complexity requires expertise. Automation does not eliminate engineering. It shifts it.
History shows a pattern. Technology transforms jobs. It rarely eliminates them completely. The role will evolve, not disappear.
AI won't replace software engineers. Engineers who use AI will replace those who don't.
We must ensure technology evolves with human responsibility, not without it.
AI isn't coming for jobs. It's already here. Most people just haven't realized it yet.
AI automates syntax. Engineers define meaning.
Software engineering is evolving. Those who adapt will lead.
That was intense. So what do you think? Will AI replace software engineers, or will it transform them? Comment below and let us know. This is Neural Debate.